Introducing the Freestyle 2 Blue wireless keyboard, the much anticipated Bluetooth version of the award-winning Freestyle 2 split adjustable keyboard. In addition to the powerful ergonomic features of the USB versions, Freestyle 2 Blue employs multi-channel technology. This lets you pair it with up to 3 Bluetooth-enabled devices and instantly switch between them. With the ever-increasing use of multiple devices at home, for traditional office, shared workspaces, or mobile needs, the Blue allows you to comfortably type on your laptop, tablet, smartphone, or any other Bluetooth device. Need to type a text on your smartphone? Easy. View a website on your tablet? No problem. Answer an email on your laptop or desktop? Just like that. The Freestyle 2 Blue allows you to easily switch between all 3 without sacrificing typing comfort. And because it's wireless, it's ideal for sit-stand workstations. Cable management concerns, such as raising work surfaces, are eliminated. Thanks to its unique split design, the Blue is highly portable for those on the go. And its rechargeable battery can last up to 300 hours of typing on a single charge. All Freestyle 2 accessories are compatible with the Blue, providing multiple tent settings with or without palm support. The Freestyle 2 Blue is available in a PC version compatible with Windows, Linux, and Android, as well as a Mac version compatible with Mac OS 10.4 and newer, and iOS systems. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Blue. Stay comfortable while using any of your Bluetooth-enabled devices. Introducing the Advantage 2 Contoured Ergonomic Keyboard from Kinesis. With mechanical key switches, onboard programmability, keyboard separation, keyboard tinting, and switchable between Windows, Mac, and PC. The Advantage 2's design and layout works with your body to help address all common major risk factors that can lead to keyboard-related repetitive strain injuries, including ulnar deviation. Split key wells position hands at shoulder width to keep wrists straight. Concave key wells place hands and fingers in a relaxed position. Vertical key arrangement mirrors the natural motion of fingers. Thumb clusters transfer workload from the weaker pinkies to stronger thumbs. Wrist extension. Integrated palm supports promote neutral wrist position and protect your wrists from any surface contact. Optional cushioned palm pads are included. Forearm pronation. Built-in tenting to reduce forearm tension for a more neutral typing posture. Excessive mouse reach. The 10-keyless layout results in a smaller footprint for closer mouse placement, and an embedded 10-key provides easy access to the number pad. The Advantage 2 utilizes premium Cherry MX low-force mechanical key switches, offering incredible comfort, performance, and unmatched durability. Choose between Cherry Brown tactile key switches or Cherry Red quiet linear force key switches. The onboard SmartSet programming engine allows you to easily remap keys, create macros, and custom layouts. All custom settings are saved directly to the keyboard's onboard memory without requiring the use of clunky software or drivers. Custom modes are available for Mac, Windows, and PC modifiers, as well as a native Dvorak layout.
This video clip will show you how to use the 3M AKT60LE adjustable keyboard tray. Keyboard tray can be adjusted front and rear, swung sideways. One hand keeps supporting the tray, then use another hand to loosen the knob to allow adjustment of the height and tilting angle of the tray for optimal comfort. Tighten the knob after adjustment. Self-adhesive mousing surface can be positionable for left or right. The position of the mousing surface cannot be changed once it is fixed. If necessary, please contact corresponding work unit for arrangement. Can remove the arm support to clean the tray. Fix the support by compressing both of the support and the tray.
"3M".
One tiny receiver, many possibilities. The Logitech Unifying Receiver unifies your mobile life. Plug it into your laptop and forget it. Different setups, different locations. One convenient solution. The Logitech Unifying Receiver. Plug it, forget it, add to it.